Today I'm going to teach you how to do 3-digit subtraction across zeros. Let's look at 600 subtract 352. When we do subtraction, we always start with the ones place value. In my ones, I have 0. If I have 0 cookies, can I eat 2 of them? No, I can't, so I need to go to my neighbor. I'm going to go to my tens. But my tens has nothing there. There's also 0 tens. So what am I going to do? I'm going to have to go to my hundreds. I'm going to take 1 flat and exchange that for 10 rods. This is what I did. I took 1 flat, so now I have 5 hundreds instead of 6. And now I have 10 ones instead of, 10 tens instead of 0. Alright, now I'm going to go back to my ones place. So, I have 0 ones. I can't take 2 away, so I need to go to my neighbor, the tens. My neighbor now has 10, so I can take 1 rod and regroup that for 10 ones. This is what I just did. I took one of my tens, so now I have 9, and I regrouped that for 10 ones, so I don't have 0 ones anymore, I have 10. Now I can do my subtraction. 10 subtract 2 is equal to 8. 9 subtract 5 is equal to 4. And in my hundreds, 500 subtract 300 is equal to 200. So, 600 subtract 352 is equal to 248. But Mr. Ha, what if I don't have base 10 blocks? Well, that's easy. You just gotta draw them. So, if I was starting this all over again, 600 subtract 352, I'm going to start by drawing my top number. I'm going to draw 600, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and I don't have any tens, and I don't have any ones. So there's 600. Alright, first I'm going to take a look at my ones place value. If I have 0 cookies, can I eat 2 of them? No, I can't, so I need to go to my neighbors, the tens, but my neighbors, the tens, has nothing as well, so what am I going to do? Give up? No. I'm going to go to my next neighbor, I'm going to my hundreds, and I'm going to take 100, and I'm going to regroup that over for 10 tens. This is what I just did. I went to my neighbor, the hundreds. I took one of my hundreds, so now I have 5, and I regrouped it for 10 tens. Alright, now if I go back to my ones, I still have 0, but I can go to my neighbor, the tens, which now has 10, and I can take 1 10 and regroup that over for 10 ones. This is what I just did. I took 1 from my 10 tens, so now I have 9 tens, and I regrouped that for 10 ones. Alright, now I can do my subtraction. 10 subtract 2 is equal to 8. 9 subtract 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 4 left. 4. And 5 subtract 2 is equal to, 5 subtract 3 is equal to 2. So 600 subtract 352 is equal to 248.